Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to discuss a very important topic, and this topic is about the theme of identity in Pygmalion. Before discussing the theme of identity in Pygmalion, we must know what is identity. Identity means who and what you are in relation to other people. We recognize ourselves through the comparison of other people's identities. Pygmalion is a play which is written by George Bernard Shaw. Identity is one of the main themes in the play. When the story starts, we are told that Eliza Doolittle is a poor girl who belongs to middle or below middle class. Mr. Higgins, professor of phonetics, transforms her social status from a poor girl to the level of a duchess. He works on her language and pronunciation, and in 6 months' time, he changes her totally. Eliza loses her identity. Now, she is neither the flower girl nor the duchess. She thinks herself to be a duchess because now she is refined in her manner, dress, speech, and pronunciation. But from materialistic or we can say status point of view, she was the same poor girl. She thinks herself to be superior, but in reality she was not. In the end, when Professor Higgins says that the whole process is a foolish thing, Eliza becomes angry because it was now against her mental status. At the end, she does not know what would become of her because, due to her beautiful figure, dialect, and manners, she looks like a duchess, but in reality, she was now more than a flower girl. So, she was no more. She was no more than a flower girl. So she runs from home because of this conflict in her mind. Such situations make her mindset completely transformed. Now, in relation to others, her identity was quite different. So, in short, we can say that the theme of identity dominates the whole play. From the very start to the end of the play, we see that the heroine of the play is in a state of transition. In the end, we see Eliza Doolittle a completely changed woman. So, uh, it was all about the play Pygmalion and the theme of identity in Pygmalion. In the play, Eliza Doolittle is the heroine of the play, and when the story starts, she is a poor flower girl, but Professor Hagen, who is the professor of phonetics, tries to transform her to uh, a lady of some status, and he succeeds in the last, and he completely changes her to the status of a duchess because in a party many people do not recognize her that she is a poor flower girl. Rather, they think her to be a lady of some status. So in the end, we see Eliza Doolittle completely a changed woman. It was all about the topic, identity, the theme of identity in the play Pygmalion. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.